వ్యాపిస్తోంది. పోలియో అనే ఈ
మన పిల్లలు పూతల లాంటి పోలియోని పారద్రోలండి.
कपड़े वाले चाहिए तो
The purpose of this polio museum is not only to bring about the awareness of Rotary's work in connection with polio eradication, but also to bring about the awareness as there is complacence set in, as many people assume that all the polio cases have been, there is no polio in India and they need not take any immunization drops. We want to bring awareness to each and everyone through this polio museum that they need to attend the two immunization days, 28th January and 24th of February, and take the children and get the polio drops given to the children so that India will shortly be declared a non-endemic country. Due to the political situation in these countries where the polio is still in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nigeria, certain effective measures are not yet being taken, but Rotary International is trying all its efforts to send representatives to help them. We are also given a target of raising $2 lakh towards the shortfall of $800 million required to eradicate polio in the remaining three countries, namely Pakistan, Afghanistan and Nigeria. All these years, the Western countries have been helping us in eradication of polio by raising funds and catering to the third world countries where the polio was still rampant.